Hello everyone. Today we will be conducting the experiment named finding out the elements of the screw threads. The major elements that we go through is our pitch of the screw threads and effective diameter of the screw threads. So here what we do is first we will take a screw threads consisting of a go and no go gauge. This is a go and no go screw gauge. Okay, and we will be conducting the experiment through the go side of the screws. So okay. So this to find out the pitch of this go side of the screw threads, we will be taking this screw pitch. Okay, so screw pitch gauge. This is a screw pitch gauge, and using this will be having number of thread profiles. So whatever the thread profile suits with this particular screw threads, we will be finding out the pitch of the screw by using that particular profile. Okay. So let us check what will be the nearer profile for this by aligning. So they should correctly align with these threads. Okay, these threads should correctly align with these particular threads. So whatever the profile correctly aligns with the threads like this. Okay. So this the number on this particular profile will become the pitch of the screw. So here it is given on this, it is given pitch of the screw is 1 mm. Okay. So that is it shows that the pitch of these screw threads on the go side of the screw gauge is 1 mm. Okay. This is how you have to find out the pitch of the screw. Now let us go for finding out the effective diameter of this particular screw threads. Okay. So for this we will be using a vise, a micrometer. This is a vise, this is a micrometer, and these are the standard wires which are having with us. These are the standard wires which are having with us. Using these the 3-wire method, we will be finding out the effective diameter of the screw threads. So here first we have to find out the best size wire diameter. So such that we can select the best size whatever is there with us. Okay, the formula for best size wire diameter, here we are going to have the metric threads with us. Here these are the metric threads. So for these metric threads, the formula that is being used for finding out the best size is 0.577 into pitch of the screw. Already we have found out the pitch of the screw. So now by multiplying this pitch of the screw threads with 0.577, we will be getting the best size wire diameter of the given screw threads is 0.577. So we are not having that 0.577 wire diameter with us. Okay, but we are having very nearer value, that is 0.53 with us. So by using this we will be finding the effective diameter, and along with this we will be giving a trial by finding the effective diameter by using the other set of the wires which are having with us. So by using these two we will be finding the accurate effective diameter of the screw threads. Okay, so let us see how to fit these 3 wires using this micrometer, and these 3 wires will be fitted with this micrometer using the 3-wire method. So we shall be somewhat careful. We shall be somewhat careful while fitting these wires. In this way we have to fit these 3 wires to set this in this way. Okay. So if we as and when we ensure that the screw thread have been fit within these 3 wires, we shall stop setting these jaws. Okay, and see the reading on this micrometer. Okay, after taking the reading on this micrometer with the taken 0.53 mm size wires, we will be getting almost the reading is 6.089. Okay, the effective diameter that the M1 value we are going to get is 6.089. Okay, so after this we shall remove this setting With this we are going to get some value m1. After this we will be taking by using a trial and error method, we will be taking another standard wires which are having the value of 0.895. Okay, we shall fit with this within the screw jaws like this, and similarly we shall fit the screw in this way. Actually they won't set perfectly because they are not the best size wire, but just we are giving a trial. Then again we will take the reading pertaining to this. Very nearly we will be getting 7.189 mm by taking these two standard wires for finding out the effective diameter. This value should be considered as M2. So after taking these two values, we will be finding sin alpha. Okay. So this by using the formula sin alpha by 2 is equal to d2 by d1 divided by m2 minus m1 minus d2 minus d1. We will be having the value of sin alpha by 2, where alpha by 2 will be got by using inverse of the sin value. So in this way we will be finding the elements of the screw threads like the pitch of the thread and the effective diameter of the screw threads. Okay. Thank you.